Hello and welcome to this episode of ADA Bundle Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and manage clients' accounts in your ADA Bundle account. The client, otherwise called Team Account feature, is a super cool collaboration feature. It allows you to share controlled access to team members, VAs, clients, and even prospects. Imagine closing a client and helping them set up their ADA optimization using ADA Bundle. After full setup, the client may require access to the app, so they can always manage their accessibility profile on the go. Now, this may seem to be kind of a problem, as you cannot give them your own main user access to the app. Apart from the fact that it goes against your user agreement, you may have another client's website inside your account too. So, sharing your main user access with anyone means sharing all your other clients' profiles as well. So this is where the client account feature saves the day. Client's account works just the same way as your regular ADA Bundle account. The only difference is that your client or team account has a limited access level. As a client or team user, they can only have access to projects or websites widgets assigned to them by you, the main user. So this way, as the main user, you can limit what your client, VA, or prospect can do via their access, thereby giving you full control. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Once logged into your dashboard, click on Client right here on the top menu bar. Once you do that, your Client Management Dashboard opens up. Now I already have some clients added here, but for the purpose of this video, let's create a new one. So click on Create Client. Fill this form. Enter the client's name. Enter email address. Account password. And then hit the Create button. Congratulations! You've successfully created an account for your client, VA, or maybe a prospect. But then we're not done yet. There are some more options available to us here. To see these management options, click on Actions. The very first one here is the Assign option. This is where you assign a website's widget to a client's account so that they can access and manage it via their team access. All you need to do is toggle this on. You can toggle it off whenever you wish to restrict it or limit their access. It gives you full control. Next is the Reset Password option. Here you can change or update a client's password. Next, you can use the Edit option to change or update the account name or email. And finally, the Remove option to permanently delete the account. Okay, now let's log in as a client to see what the client's dashboard looks like. At the moment, a website's widget has not been assigned to this particular team account. Hence, the dashboard is kind of looking empty. So let's go back to the main user account and assign this client a widget. Now let's go back to the client's dashboard. See? We have successfully assigned a widget to our client or team account. As you can see, I now have access to manage this website's widget right from my client or team access. Toggle to switch the accessibility widget on or off. And click on Settings right here to manage the accessibility profile. See? Remember that I can assign as many website widgets as I want to any client, team member, or VA using the client account feature. This is a super cool tool for collaboration with team members or VAs and for agency operators to share controlled access to their clients. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to this episode of ADA Bundle Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize accessibility reports you have generated for prospects and how this can be used as a foot-in-the-door strategy to close more clients. All right, Take, for instance, you find a non-compliant website belonging to a business. Now, what do you do to convince them that their website is actually non-compliant and that they are at the risk of getting a lawsuit if they don't act fast? You guessed right. Simply run an accessibility audit of the website in question, generate a compliance report, and then send them a copy of the report alongside your offer to help them out. In Video 1, under Module 2 of this Academy, we did a detailed walkthrough of how to run audits and generate compliance reports. You can look up that video if you missed it. In this current video, I'll be showing you how to customize the report generated and brand it by adding your contact information, like your email address, phone number, and also by adding your brand logo. How cool is that? So instead of sending out brandless reports, which tells low of your reputation as an agency and makes it difficult for prospects to reach back to you, you can now customize and brand your reports, making it look more professional and easier for prospects to contact you using the contact information you can now add. This is a super cool feature, and it's important to point out that this feature comes with the agency upgrade level. So to know more about it, kindly reach out to our support desk for more details. Okay, now let us proceed. To get started with this, from your dashboard, click on Reports. This brings you to the Reports dashboard, where you have all the reports you've generated. Once you're in, click on the Settings option beside the report you wish to customize. Immediately, a modal pops up. Now, take note that you may not find the Settings option in your account if your account is not upgraded to the agency level first. You can reach out to support for more details on that. Let's proceed. On this modal, as you can see, you have the option to add your contact information and a custom logo. We'll start with the contract address. All you need to do is toggle this on to reveal the address area. Input your address right here. It could be your physical address, email address, phone number, or all three. Next is to add a custom logo. Once you toggle it on from here, an option to upload your logo is revealed. Click on Add New to upload a logo from your local computer. Allow it a few seconds to upload. Then click on the uploaded image or logo and click Select Media. Once that is done successfully, click here to save your settings. To see a preview of what we've done, simply download a copy of the report and preview. See? You can also do the same setup for websites that are already made to be compliant. From the dashboard, click on Widgets, and then on Settings beside your website of choice. Scroll down to the Customize Report option. See? Once you're done adding your customizations effects, click on Save Widget to save the setup. And that's it! This customization feature will not only make you look professional as an agency, it will, more importantly, make it easy for prospects to reach back to you after going through the report, which also serves as an optimization service proposal. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the custom domain feature. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Hello and welcome to this episode of ADA Bundle Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at how to set up a custom domain and its importance to your ADA optimization agency business. Now, one of the main reasons for the custom domain feature in ADA Bundle is to white label the compliance pixel. By that, instead of the generated ADA Bundle embed script to be an extension of the app.adabundle.com domain, it comes rather as an extension of your own custom URL. Secondly, once you set up your custom domain, your clients and team members, for instance, can log into their various team client accounts via your own custom URL. How cool is that? Now, take for instance, you set up a custom domain on wix.snapilabsacademy.com, on wix.snappylabsacademy.com. So instead of your clients logging into their client access accounts via app.adabundle.com, which readily gives you away, rather you can send them to log in via your very own custom URL, wix.snappylabsacademy.com. wix.snappylabsacademy.com. See? This way, your clients are not able to trace your services back to us. It makes you and your agency stand out as the sole creator and owner of the solution. This is an amazing feature for anyone running an agency or selling ADA optimization as a service, as it gives you a level of professionalism and helps you keep the tool you use, in this case ADA Bundle, 100% anonymous. All right. So first you'll need to have your own domain and a hosting plan. If you don't have one, then you'll have to purchase one. There are a number of domain registrars and hosting companies out there, like Namecheap, SiteGround, GoDaddy, etc. If you need further advice on domain and hosting acquisition, kindly reach out to our support desk for assistance. For the purpose of this video training, I'll be using the subdomain ada.snappylabsacademy.com and Namecheap as my hosting company. I'll be using the subdomain ada.snappylabsacademy.com and Namecheap as my hosting company. But do note that whichever hosting company you're using, the steps remain basically the same. All right, so I'll log into my Host cPanel, locate the Domain section, and click on Zone Editor. If you have more than one domain hosted in your cPanel account, as I do, then search out the particular domain you're using and click on the Manage option. Otherwise, simply proceed with the next step. So for this case, I'll be using ada.snappylabsacademy.com as my custom domain. So for this case, I'll be using ada.snappylabsacademy.com as my custom domain. Next, click on CNAME, and then click here to add a record. Enter your choice domain name, in this case, ada.snappylabsacademy.com, ada.snappylabsacademy.com. Under the Type option, choose CNAME. Under the Record option, type app.adabundle.com. Once you're done, hit the Add Record button, and that's it. We've successfully completed the first step. Now for step number 2, let's head over to our ADA Bundle dashboard. From your dashboard, click on the profile icon right here and select Custom Domain. Click on Set Up Custom Domain. Enter the domain name you registered in the cPanel, in this case, ada.snappylabsacademy.com. ada.snappylabsacademy.com. Once you're done, hit the Add Domain button, and that's it. As you can see, it immediately enters a verification mode. Now, we wait about 24 to 48 hours to allow full propagation before the status will turn active and verified. Once propagation is fully done, you can choose to make your optimization embed script an extension of your custom domain and no longer the ADA Bundle domain. And you can send your clients, VAs, or prospects to your custom URL as their login domain. Let's take a look at that for a moment. If by any chance it doesn't fully propagate and turns verified after 48 hours, then reach out to our support desk for assistance. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.